Hi, I'm Mike Lauber, CEO of Tusco Display. It's October in Ohio, which means three things. One is cooler temperatures. Two is time to harvest. And three is it's manufacturing day, the first Friday of October every year. Like farmers who understand you've got to plant in the spring to be able to harvest in the fall, we as manufacturers recognize we need to plant the idea with students today if we have the hope of harvesting them as employees down the road. Manufacturing today in the United States is like never before. The opportunities are great. We have a number of younger people who have come to work for us recently too.
My name is Zachary Wright. I got involved through Buckeye Career Center, through the urea drafting program. I'm an engineering technician. I'm a junior currently at Kent Tuscarora's branch. I work full-time and also go to school full-time. It's a task juggling the two, but it's worth it. With the manufacturing environment, it definitely gives you a lot of experience as far as getting a foot in the door into what you'll learn in school. I've learned a lot of the operations as far as hands-on experience within the manufacturing environment. Has actually helped me immensely whenever it comes to school.
My name is Lucas Tappan. My dad used to work here, so he recommended me to come here. I used to work at a Mexican restaurant prior to this, so I never had manufacturing experience. So it's been really easy to come in here and learn. I had a good trainer. Basically all I do all day is I hang stuff up for the paint line and get coated. I always had like an idea that I wanted to do something in a factory or something like this again.
If I had to say something to a young person considering a career in manufacturing, I'd say it's definitely a good route. There's a lot of bright futures with manufacturing, a lot of opportunity as far as work. I think manufacturing is definitely a great field of work to get into, and I would suggest it to a lot of younger people.
As Lucas and Zach have expressed, there are real opportunities in manufacturing today, right here in Ohio. We want to be here for the long term. We're going to be here as manufacturers, making things that people want and need. To do that, we need to be attractive, and we are. We have the opportunities for today's generation and will have for generations to come.